Welcome to another edition of the Smart Budget channel, and today we'll be doing a Dollar Tree product review of the E-Circuit headphones. Compatible with most audio devices, a 3.5mm jack with a 48-inch cord. Now these are a little different than the last ones I did. The other ones, not so great. This gives you a little bit of its frequency range, its plug, product specifications on the back here. Definitely try this out. I just want to give a shout out to Sebastian 501-37063. Check out his YouTube channel. He is the one that put me up to this to find these, and once you check out his channel, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Sebastian. I really appreciate it. Definitely interested in these headphones. Definitely gotta get these. There we go. Now I'm just gonna hook this up to my Samsung Galaxy 3. It's just a phone that I use for demonstrations or any type of product testing. And let's see how this sounds. Okay, what I have to say about these headphones here is simply they're better than the other headphones that were coming out that I did in a previous video. They sound louder than the other ones, but they're still, remember, these are Dollar Tree headphones, so the quality is not going to be up there like the iPhone headphones or any of the other headphones I've done in the past. So if you buy these, remember, they're not the highest quality. You're paying for what you get on these. So when it comes to sound, yes, they're a lot louder than the other ones, but the quality is not there like some of the other ones I've done before. So it's kind of iffy on this. But if you're interested in grabbing a set, go ahead. That's my opinion there. So as a thumbs up, thumbs down, kind of here, I'm right there in the middle on that. Again, this is the Smart Budget channel, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button below. We do budget-friendly product reviews here, anywhere from prepper items to household items and everything in between. We also do a seasonal EDC series, which stands for Everyday Carry. We keep that budget-friendly as well. We also do Dollar Tree hauls, Walmart hauls, and we also do some personal finance talk here. We also do exclusive items from eBay and Amazon as well, so stay tuned for that. And again, if you're interested in any of the subjects, please hit the subscribe button below. And for all my returning subscribers, stay smart, stay on budget, and have a great day.